everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys aren't getting tired of seeing this little RC Jeep. It's a cool little thing to do when it's freezing cold outside and I don't feel like going out and laying underneath the big full-size Jeeps. So this will be a quick video, but it's definitely pretty cool. Something I found by RC4WD. And hope you give this video a thumbs up and hope you like this video. Check this out. Now, as you can see here, all RCs, whether this be a 4mm, 5mm, whatever the axle size is, there's always a nut. Just like this one right here, and I apologize, this might not focus on this stuff. There's an axle nut, which is a lock nut, that holds your wheel into, and this has 12mm hubs right inside there. And as you tighten that nut down, it tightens it down onto there, and that's the simplest way to put it. But the cool thing about these things is RC4WD makes something very scale. And as you can see by the thumbnail, you probably already guessed what we got going on here. But they have these little lockout hubs. And how cool is this? Right here, I don't think it's gonna focus on it. See if I can get it to focus here, how detailed it is. There we go, worn locking hub. It actually says lock and free on it. It's very, very cool. And what this does, let me zoom back out, is it takes the place of your actual locking nut. So here is what you get in the kit from RC4WD. This is actually a 1/10 scale. They also sell a 1/8 scale. What you doing there, little sister? I got another little buddy over here. They sell a 1/10 and a 1/8 scale. The 1/10 works really well on these wheels, and I think I might pick up a set for 1/8 for the actual over here, the 2.2s that I have, because these might just be a little bit small. But I guess the best way I saw it being explained was these look like a Dana 44 hub, and the 8 scales look like a Dana 60 hub. So anyway, in this package, this is the original axle nut from the other side. You'll get 2 locking hubs right here in this packet, and here is the part number right here from RC4WD. As you can see, it's a 1/10 scale, worn scale manual locking hub, and you get these really cool worn stickers along with it, and a cool RC4WD sticker right there. And then to put them on, you see they have these little machined aluminum rings here with actually all the little holes here. To put these on, since it's not a hex nut like this, your wrench can't tighten it down. So RC4WD sells this guy right here, which goes right in, I don't know if I can do this with one hand on camera, but it goes right in like that, into those holes, and you put your hex wrench on there and tighten it in. But that part right here is this right here, sold separately. It's the locking hub installation tool. You need to have this to put on this hub right here. Now the 1/8 is a different size. This is actually only works for the 1/10 scale, not the 1/8 scale. But let's go ahead and throw it on and go from there. Alrighty, there it is installed. It's so small, it's hard for the camera to actually focus. There we go. How cool is that? Just adds that much more realism to the Jeep. It adds that nice little touch of, like I said, just more scale, realistic detail to your rig. Whole lot cooler looking than the little axle nut right here. I mean, they're not too expensive. You have to buy that installation tool, which is, it kind of stinks, but it is what it is. I kind of wish it would actually work for the 8 scale as well, but the 8 scale is actually bigger in diameter. So obviously that ring, these little nubs right here wouldn't fit the larger ring. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys check these out. It's just really, it's subtle, but I mean, it just adds that much more scale detail to the Jeep. So hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.